This is week 7. It's Monday, and it's Introduction to Computers and Information Systems. I checked to make sure everybody's good on unit completions, they know how to do it, finishing up outlines, answering questions, taking assessments. We did one more little thing on learning. We have a couple steps left to do. And so today I have a optional video that we watched with some ideas in terms of better studying for tests and preparing for tests. We covered graphics, images, raster and vector. We talked a little bit about that. And then they did some more. I did some examples of what-if analysis in spreadsheets. And the students, they did some group work in terms of spreadsheets. Alright? We had the video. Then after the video we talked a little bit more about learning, and then we started talking about images. Digital. Use ones and zeros to represent an image. Most popular way that people talked about taking with phones, but there are digital cameras. You can take snapshots with cameras like video cameras can take shots. We can get a digital image by taking a picture and scanning it. So there's a number of ways to create a digital image. How do we distribute? It's pretty easy nowadays. You can post it on social media. You can print it. There's ways to print it. You can send them to people. You can put them in the cloud and then just allow certain people in to look at them on the cloud. Alright. A couple key factors when it comes to images. Images are typically raster or vector. These are bitmaps, so we use dots to represent the picture. Here we use vectors. Sounds funny, but we use curves and algorithms to design the image. This is good for things like a logo, like we have the NIAC logo, and we have this information. And when it's a vector graphic, you can take that image and you can make it bigger, make it smaller, and it stays the image because the vectors all adjust. Stays good looking. Whereas if you take a bitmap and you made that bigger, it would become more grainier because the bits wouldn't be as close together, so to speak. Alright, so then we finished up. They did some spreadsheet work in their groups. I did the data analysis, showed them how to do a goal seek, and we also did a scenario, build a scenario, and you can build lots of scenarios and save them, or you can do a goal seek. You can just say, I want this value to become something by changing this value, and then the computer just automatically does that. It's pretty cool. That is it for today.